Unlocking the mysteries of the universe. The unified field theory. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the wonders of the English language and explore various topics to enhance your learning journey. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure into the realm of physics to understand a fascinating concept: the unified field theory. This theory represents an attempt to describe the universe's fundamental forces in a single framework, and we're here to break it down for you in the simplest terms possible. Let's get started. In the world of physics, four fundamental forces govern the universe: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. Each of these forces plays a critical role in how particles interact and how the cosmos functions at different scales, from atoms to galaxies. For centuries, scientists have dreamt of finding a unified field theory, a single theory that could explain how these forces are related and could be unified into one grand framework. This quest began with Isaac Newton's law of universal gravitation and advanced significantly with Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, which provided a groundbreaking description of gravity. However, Einstein's dream of unifying all forces remained unfulfilled during his lifetime. The challenge lies in reconciling general relativity, which describes the universe on a large scale, with quantum mechanics, which explains the behavior of particles at the smallest scales. Understanding the unified field theory is not just an academic exercise. It has profound implications for our comprehension of the universe. It could potentially unlock the secrets of the cosmos, from the mysteries of black holes to the nature of the universe's birth. Furthermore, this theory could lead to groundbreaking technological advancements and transform our approach to energy, space travel, and even the fundamental nature of matter itself. One of the main hurdles in developing a unified field theory is the complexity of integrating quantum mechanics with general relativity. These two pillars of physics operate on completely different scales and principles. Over the years, various theories, such as string theory and loop quantum gravity, have emerged, attempting to bridge this gap. Each offers a unique perspective on how to achieve unification, suggesting that the fundamental building blocks of the universe might not be particles, but rather strings or loops of energy. Despite significant progress, a fully accepted unified field theory remains elusive. Scientists continue to test the limits of these theories, hoping to find empirical evidence that will lead to a breakthrough. The search for a unified field theory is one of the most ambitious and challenging quests in the field of physics. It pushes the boundaries of our understanding and forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. While the journey is far from over, each step forward brings us closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating concept of the unified field theory and sparked your curiosity about the wonders of physics and the universe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you.